everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, and thanks for joining me to tour my latest listing. Now this home is impressive and I cannot wait to show you inside. The modern black windows and horizontal fencing may have given you a clue that there's something special inside. So let's go on in and take a look. It's impossible not to look up as you step inside this front door. The ceilings are just stunning and provide such an open feeling. I also love that you can peek through to catch a glimpse of the kitchen and the stunning concrete island with its waterfall edge. Now, in today's work from home environment, a lot of people have to sacrifice a bedroom as an office, but not here. They've created not one, but two dedicated workspaces in the lower level so that you can actually use the bedrooms as bedrooms, and there's still two on the main floor plus a third in the lower level. The washroom was also expanded to accommodate this large walk-in shower as well as a standalone soaker tub. That is so well designed and executed is truly rare to find. So I'm really excited that you found us here today. Now, don't miss your chance to make this home your very own. Thanks for joining us.